Davido, cavemen, Davido. I like Davido. Let's bow.
Guys, no be smart thing. Davido really need to employ this hype man. I'll play the rest of the clip for us to see the moment they were showing off Davido new car. The car Davido just bought of recent, the Maybach Virgil Abloh, the latest model 2023, worth about $600,000. Man, no be smart thing. The car finally arrived in Nigeria. We guys can remember this. This was when Davido was in Dubai when he bought the car.
This brown as in bro is blue.
Guys, you can actually see this video. This was actually the moment Davido was actually showing off the car in Dubai. Let's take a look at the moment that hype man was hyping Davido when the car actually arrived in Nigeria. I mean, Davido really needs to employ that hype man. Let's take a look at this again.
Davido, cavemen, Davido. I like Davido. Let's
guys, no be smart. I will actually give the video pause here. I will actually let you guys share your thoughts on what you guys think. $600,000 just on the car, man. 001 for a reason. Share your thoughts via the comment box section and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe. Hit the bell notification button to always get notified whenever I drop videos like this. Big Vicky, I'm out.